I am absolutely lost for words. Dobro Utra Saint Petersburg. Welcome to this video and good morning to Saint Petersburg. Just to show you guys what it's looking like today. Grey skies, hopefully it will snow more later. There is still no residue from the night, but it stopped snowing during the night. And right now I am walking towards St. Isaac's Cathedral to see if I can go in. Right now as I walk the streets of St. Petersburg, there's a sense of melancholy. It's very quiet, still. And there we have it, St. Isaac's Cathedral. Spasiba. We have got our ticket for the museum and the colonnade, top of the roof. I go up the colonnade because there's a long queue into the museum now. So this way we shall go. Up to the colonnade 300 rubles, and then into the museum it's 450 rubles. Okay, we are going up the spiral stairs now. Over there you have the Winter Palace. Wow. Bells. More things. Wow, this view is spectacular. Holy. A dream come true. Finally. Again. To see Saint Petersburg, Leningrad covered in snow. So I found this here, pretty funny. It's a cabbage field in front of St. Isaac's Cathedral. Kapustnoje polje u Isaakowskiego sobora w Godi blokady. Here are the three models of the church before its final form nowadays. Okay, now we are off from St. Isaac's Cathedral. That was honestly one of the greatest and most beautifulest cathedrals I've been in. Right here you have Mariinsky Theatre, the world-class theatre for ballet, art, orchestras, performances, you name it. This is the world-class theatre in St. Petersburg, just like Bolshoi Theatre in Moscow. I was actually going to go here tomorrow to watch my dream Swan Lake, but then I realized because I can only carry cash at the moment that to enter and watch Swan Lake tomorrow costs me 7,500 rubles, which is roughly £60. This is St. Nicholas Naval Church, beautifully covered in snow. Okay, so now to the metro station, to Zimy Prospekt, so I can go get to Nevsky Prospekt. Okay, we're getting back up now for some reason. There are 3 lines in this single metro station, and I had to just walk past the line, the platform, to try to get to the other line too. Well, what's this market called again?
Called?
Yeah.
Organized in Sholotan.
I don't think foreigners come here. I maybe not any foreigner.
It's dangerous. Hold your bag close to you. Selling nuts. That's it. I guess some of this food is expired and it's very cheap because of it. But I'm not
Is that
sure.
German?
It's fine. 50% is going to Uber.
How do you know this place? Isn't this wedding?
Huh?
Isn't this wedding stuff?
Wedding? Yeah.
Svad.
Yeah.
Salon.
So, place to me by Chinese. So when they arrive, I guess the leader tells where to eat, and he just eats here.
What leader?
I don't know, like they arrive here in small groups to study, you know.
Wow. Китайский бистро.
Мы сейчас находимся в китайском ресторанчике посередине Невского проспекта. Еда вкусная, китайская. Мы купили макарон, лапшу с баклажанами и свининой. Снег идет, да?
But it's not real.
No, it was real. So it has rails. It's like just so old. It's like they no longer use it.
Выход в кофейню.
We can read about it.
Interesting.
Oh, he's going to play it.
We are now in a convenience Russian store.
This one is
Что
from my
это?
hometown. Из Вологодцы.
Сметана.
Сметана.
What's this? Футоняня.
Круто. Кушать шаверму.
Швама. Да.
But give me a head.
Мой первый раз есть швама. What? Это круто.
We can wait for announcement.
Okay. Yeah, this is a nice metro. I like that over there. But now we are at Admiralsky metro station coming up. I'm gonna head to Zimy Dvorets. It's not as nice on Nevsky Prospekt as all the snow polluted and just turned into a complete brown sludge. Look at that. Even in all the snow, the Russian eternal flame still burns. Oh my god, what does this say here? Like this video! For 359 rubles, we have Kiev chicken, salad olivier, borscht, ze smetanoi, and black forest cake. So I just asked one of the security guards right now about this Maca Christmas market. I said, "Когда это ярмарка завтра открыт? What time does it open tomorrow?" And he said, 19 до 9. 12 to 9, I think. So I should have some time tomorrow to come check this out. This is the all famous, the Great Saint Petersburg Circus. Russia is very, very famous. You may know for its circus. And this is the main one here in Saint Petersburg. Oh my god, look what I found. Subway. Completely untouched snow right there. That's like a good foot, I think. Muzej Muzyki. I saw this building, right, walking over, and I filmed it. I'm back looking at it, and I'm confused what this is. Saint Petersburgский государственный академический. I'm not even sure what that says, but comedy. Sidvonia. So I guess this place just sells a lot of like souvenirs, but like high-end class souvenir stuff. Mostly like food, a lot of alcohols and stuff like that. From different parts of the world. Look at this. Souvenir od Yeliseyevskovo. Souvenirs from Saint Petersburg. Your Ilich, which is the so-called original real name of Lenin, Vladimir Lenin. What? And then look at this guy. Glazed fruits.